Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. So, guys, prepare food chicken with me. I can't say this is my first time of preparing food chicken, but guys, just prepare it with me because this year I've been through a lot. So, this year, one of my neighbor convinced me to rear chicken. So, we went to the market, we bought 10 and to buy the remaining 8. And I started to buy one myself just to enjoy myself because I've been through a lot this year. I've been a lot has been through me. I don't know. So guys, after buying my chicken, I have prepared it, I arranged it, I added pepper as you can see. Oh my god, onion, seasoning cubes, I spiced it up because I wanted this to be a spicy pepper chicken. Hey, so this was me adding my thyme, my white pepper, black pepper, everything guys I added. Oh my god. Then I gave it a good stir, I added salt, I stirred it very, very well. I covered and light to cook. Boom, guys. I came to check on my chicken. My chicken. Take a look at it now. So I stirred it again and boom, it's time to fry it, guys. So I'll be using what King's oil. Oh my god, King's vegetable oil, very good. So I poured in my oil as you can see, guys. Now it's time to what? Drain the meat stock. Oh my god, so delicious. I added onion, ginger, and garlic, pounded one. Then I went in with my what? Chicken. I fried it very well to golden brown. I added bay leaves to infuse that aroma, that flavor. Oh my god, guys, take a look at my chicken. So this is a first batch. I took it out, added another one. That's I repeated the process. So I fried this second batch very well again till golden brown. My god. So I decided to package the meat stock and store in the fridge because oh my god, I am not cooking anything. Just to fry my chicken and enjoy myself because I've been through a lot this year. So as you can see, this second one ready. So I took it out. Now it's time to what? Make our pepper sauce. What is pepper chicken without correct pepper sauce? So with that same oil, I reduced the oil, added my what? Onions. Oh my god, ginger and garlic, my pepper. Then seasoned my pepper. As you can see, I gave it a good stir. Oh boom, we're almost there, guys. Give it a good stir. Stir it wow. So guys, at this point, I turned off my gas and boom, our chicken, our pepper sauce, everything is ready. So bring your spoon, I'll be your fork. Let's eat together. So I added my pepper sauce to what? My chicken. And guys, guess what? I enjoyed myself. Oh my god, just to cool my head, like just to cool my head. Just to cool my head. So guys, come and join me. The end of this video will shock you. Take a look at me. I enjoyed myself. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe. Bye.